Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
So researchers just took down a massive botnet. We're talking over 2 million infected devices.
It was a huge win for cybersecurity. For a second there, the threat was completely gone.
But this botnet, called KimWolf, had a nasty little secret for staying alive.
Okay, get this. In just a couple of days, it completely rebuilt itself, back to full strength.
Yeah, researchers are calling it a rebuilding machine. You can see why. It's shockingly resilient.
So how in the world does it pull off this magic trick? It uses something already in millions of homes.
It sneaks back in through residential proxy networks, basically hiding in plain sight.
Think of that proxy network like a secret mail service, delivering new orders to the hacker's army.
So what are the building blocks for this machine? Well, they're not what you'd expect.
It's things like unofficial Android TV boxes or those cheap digital photo frames promising free stuff.
Exactly. Your home devices become the launch pad for their next move. It's wild.
Okay, the big question is, how do you stop it? The good news is, you absolutely can.
Find any of those sketchy devices and just stick them on a separate guest Wi-Fi network. Done.
So the ultimate takeaway is simple. That free movie box has a hidden price: your security.
Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.